Okay guys, welcome back to another video on H&H Outdoor News. So, Hurricane Milton, one of the worst hurricanes in Central Florida history, has just left the race coast and the space coast. The space coast is where all the rockets are launched off like NASA. And the race coast where Daytona National Speedway is. No, not Speedway, Raceway, whatever you want to call it. So, we got winds about 30 miles per hour, 28. When the big gusts we come in, we have 45, 50 sometimes, 55. And then we'll have and then if you go in a big field, you might have some 70 gusts, 60s. But that is why Brevard County and Volusia County are still under a hurricane warning. Well, they're still under hurricane warning because Milton is just in between the 100 miles out of the coast of the race coast or the space coast. So it can still do a U-turn. But Osceola, Polk, Orange, Seminole, Marion, look, some whistles. They are in tropical storm warning because they still have tropical storm winds. But look, some more ducks are coming over. I just can't with these ducks. I just can't. So it's still kind of bad here. Light rain, 70 to 68 degrees out. It's that dry wind coming in from the Gulf that made Milton slow down. This was one of the worst hurricanes I've been in. The worst one I ever was in was Irma, which Irma was bad, Jack. It ripped their roof off. Another bad one was Ivan. That flooded my cotton camp. Now this one was a bad one. It literally took our airboat covers off. Took our downspouts from our gutters off. It took our big old tree limbs off. This was a bad one. A bad one. Even though it's only one. Irma was a 3 when it was at us. Ivan was a 2, but those were 2 bad ones. Those were some bad ones. But yeah. So I just want to give you guys a quick update of how the weather here is in Western Brevard County. Hunter Mason signing off.